wild and free. Zoom, zoom, zip, zip, wee. Fast red ducks as quick as can be. Race to the pond, don't fall down. Quack and spin around the town. In a garden full of green, little ducks are barely seen. Sniffing flowers, buzzing bees, hiding under leafy trees. Tiptoe, tiptoe, smell that rose. Peek at bugs and touch your nose. Green ducks playing hide and seek. Quack so soft and gently peek. Pink ducks twirl, they jump and spin. Giggly grins and dancing wings. Balloons pop high, confetti flies. Pink duck parties fill the skies. Dance, dance, wiggle your feet. Pink duck party can't be beat. Jump and spin, twirl around. Quack, quack, boogie to the sound. Orange duck's pack, yummy tired. Yawn so big, her wings admired. Finds a bed of leafy grass. Closes her eyes, the night will pass. Snooze, snooze, close your eyes. Dream of stars up in the skies. Softly snuggle, gently sigh. Purple duck says nighty-night. Oregon blue and yellow